Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to disable the touch screen on Windows 11, using the Device Manager. This method is completely graphical, beginner-friendly, and works instantly. First, press Windows plus X on your keyboard. From the menu that appears, click on Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, scroll down and expand the section called Human Interface Devices. Now, look for HID-compliant touch screen in the list. Right-click on it, and select Disable Device. When the confirmation box appears, click Yes. That's it. The touch screen is now turned off on your Windows 11 PC. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After the restart, your screen will still work, but touch input will be completely disabled. If you ever want to turn the touch screen back on, just repeat the same steps. But this time, choose Enable Device instead. And that's how you can disable or re-enable the touch screen in just a few clicks using Device Manager. It's safe, simple, and perfect for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.